Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we are from Group A. We will present our presentation titled Finishing Equipment in Refractory Manufacture. And let me introduce our team by member name are Wulan Nur Hidayati, Ratih Marianti, Rina Mariani, Metalia Nofrinda, Syahril Hakiki. In this presentation, the outline that we will discuss: finishing processing. The final processing or stage involves milling, grinding, and sandblasting of the finished product. In this stage, keeps the product in correct shape and size after thermal expansion has occurred. For certain products, final processing may also include product impregnation with tar and pitch and final packaging. Finally, the products are packaged for safe transportation. Impregnation pitch is ideally suitable for the impregnation of graphite electrodes and for production of UHP grade electrodes.
Milling. Do you know milling? Milling is a process performed with a machine in which the cutter rotates to remove the material from the workpiece present in the direction of the angle with the tool axis. The milling machine one can perform many operations and functions starting from small object to larger one. Temperature of milling. The temperature of milling is another important parameter in deciding the constitution of the mill powder. Sand diffusion processes are involved in the formation of alloy phases irrespective of whether the final product phase. It is expected that the temperature of milling will have a significant effect in any alloy system. Purpose of milling process.
Milling processing. The milling machine involves the following process or phases of cutting. First, milling cutters. There are a lot of cutting tools used in the milling process. Second, surface finish. Any material put through the cutting area of the milling machine gets regular interval. The side cutter have got regular ridge on them. Third, gang milling. This means that more than 2 milling cutters are involved in a setup like this horizontal milling. All the cutters perform a uniform operation, or it may also be possible that the cutter may perform distinct operation. This is a picture of milling operation.
Milling operation. During the process, a variety of operations may be performed to the workpiece to yield the desired part shapes. These operation milling include the following: number 1, end milling; number 2, transfer milling; number 3, fetch milling; and number 4, drilling. Milling equipment. These components include the following: base and column. The base of a milling machine is simply the platform that is on the ground and supports the machine. Table. The workpiece that will be milled is mounted on a platform called the table. Saddle. The saddle is the platform that supports the table and allows its longitudinal motion. Can. The can is the platform that supports the saddle and pegs.
Explain about grinding. One of finishing of the refractories is a grinding. So, what is grinding? Grinding is an abrasive machining process that uses a grinding wheel or grinder as the cutting tool. Grinding is a surface finishing operation where very thin layer of material is removed in the form of dust particle. And then purpose of grinding. Grinding is used to finish workpieces that must show high surface quality and high accuracy of shape and dimension. It has some roughing application in which grinding removes high volume of metal very rapidly. So can be seen on the picture below is a grinding machine. Then there is grinding equipment. The grinding mill used for producing fine-sized particles use alloy steel ball and rod as grinding media, and thus named accordingly as ball mill and rod mill. This grinding can be performed in dry or wet step. The dry grinding process is highly hazardous due to dust generation, and then the wet grinding will need dewatering and drying operation and added costs. Can be seen on the left is a picture of a ball mill. Ball mill with grinding media in the form of steel or ceramic ball. Ball mill is a type of grinder used to grind and blend bulk material into nano size using different size ball. Can be seen on the right is a picture of a rod mill. Rod mill with grinding media in the form of steel bars. Rod mill are used in an open circuit between crushing and the ball mill. Semi-autogenous mill or SIG when the grinding medium is partly the mineral ore itself. Autogenous mill if the grinding medium is the ore itself.
Next, sandblasting. What is sandblasting? Sandblasting is an abrasive material shooting to material surface for cleaning dust, paint, and rust, along as in crushing material surface structure quality for coating, painting, and other adhesive process. Purpose of sandblasting: to make the metal surface raw, so that paint or other coating materials can stick to the metal surface well, not easily peel off, and avoid corrosion. For clean the surface of the material to be coated, coating application previously sandblasted will have a higher lifespan and significantly increase the life of the structure, so that the metal surface becomes clean from the attached rust and the metal surface becomes free from dirt. And the addition between the coating material and the workspace is maximized. This is picture of sandblasting process. Next, sandblasting equipment. The application of sandblasting technology in the process of ammunition maintenance is discussed. Mechanical mechanism is main engine, pressure injection system. The cyclone separator is used to automatically recycle the sand aggregate and effectively separate the sand and dust. Next, dust removal system. The system is equipped with a XN6 dust collector for baking sand and drawing dust. The core components is the filter dust collector, which is composite of high efficiency filter, backblow filter element, dust hopper, engine body, air duct, elbow, and so on. This is picture of dust removal system. The electrical system consists of main machine interface, PLC, solenoid valve, limit switch, motor, filter, pressure gauge, pressure reducing valve, and corresponding piping and control components.
The last content is impregnating grade coal. Impregnation grade coal tar pitch is a special type of coal tar pitch which has low content quinoline insoluble. Besides having lower values of softening point, toluene insolubles, cooking yield, and specific gravity as if compared to binder grade coal tar pitch. It is used in large quantities to densify gravity electrodes employed in steel and chemical industry. The blends were prepared in different proportions ranging from 20 to 80% on the impregnating pitch. The parent pitch and their blends were thermally treated at 430 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, and the resultant products were characterized by thermal analysis and optical microscopy. In this table, we must know it typical quality properties by test parameter. On this latest slide is a list of reference we use in the presentation. And thank you for attention.